Oopsie. That's a fail. Oopsie. Hello everybody, and today we will be talking about how I got destroyed. Yes. Well, not destroyed, but scratched really bad by my dog, and I'm really mad. And she also ruined my arena and a Briar doll. Do you hear those people in the background? They're ruining the dramatic moment. Anyway, here are my scratches. My battle scars, I like to call them. Alright, it doesn't look super bad on camera. Holy cow, why is it so dark? Alright. So he was rubbed when I got him, and I took really good care of him, I have to say. But look at it now. Those are the worst scratches, I think. This is a horrible camera. It's not even focusing. So there's that side. It's okay on camera. I just patched his ears up. Now they're destroyed. So I found him literally laying in the gravel. Like, laying in the gravel. And my barn was destroyed. She's totally scratched. At least he didn't break a leg, though. But, like, you get this tiny scratch. And you're like, oh no, he has a mark. It's the worst thing in the whole entire world. And then, the more you keep him, the worse it gets. Here's the arena. So, I just brought it inside. So, that's a leg. Those are pants. That's a saddle. That's a creepy thing. Everything is destroyed. So, that's the video. I actually have a friend on YouTube. I believe it's Delta the German Shepherd. Sorry, I have a cold right now. Delta the German Shepherd or Maple Leaf Stables. They were doing a series, but then their dog ate the Schleck. Like, full on ate the main character Schleck. And that's happened to me before. Just, it wasn't a series and I hadn't already uploaded 2 episodes. Oh, I just found another scratch. Okay, his hoof. Yeah, that's so bad. Anyway, this is a try not to cringe challenge. Alright, so I thought his tail had like a gooey substance of white or something. I washed it off. And apparently, those are bite marks from my dog. So that I cannot handle. I can handle like scratches like that. They kind of look like battle scars. But hair doesn't get battle scars. It's... I'm not sure if I should buy a new one. I'm definitely keeping him. He has a special place in my heart. But I can't believe this is happening. It's like a Briar nightmare. Someday I'm gonna laugh about this, but I was crying. Like, when I found out, I was crying. And I don't cry for stuff like this. Like, ever. Oh, this is the worst part, definitely. Can't fix that.